Hello everyone, welcome back to Art of Homemaking. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tap notification bell to receive updates of my new videos. In this video, I am bringing you all 150-year-old South Indian authentic chicken Majjigapulusu recipe, which is also called as Kadi in North India, but the process and the recipe are the same. I am making this recipe in the instant pot. I am also making easy mutton curry, but if you don't have instant pot, no worries, you can make these recipes in pressure cooker. Let's start making chicken curry. For this you need chicken pieces, yogurt or curd, sliced onions, sliced tomatoes, green chilies, coriander, salt, Besan or chickpea flour, tadka ingredients, mustard, cumin seeds, red chilies, curry leaves and pinch of fenugreek powder, salt, masala powder and turmeric. So press saute button, add oil and add chicken pieces. You can marinate chicken before and fry it for some time. Once chicken is tender, cancel saute mode and transfer chicken pieces to another bowl. Now add some oil and add onions, green chilies and fry it for some time. Once they are golden brown, add some salt and turmeric and tomato slices as well, and add your chicken pieces to it. Garam masala powder, turmeric and salt. Fry it for some time. Add ginger garlic paste, add some water, cancel saute mode and cover it with the lid, and now press pressure cooker button. And cook it for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, take a mortar, crush green chilies, ginger and cumin seeds. This step is optional, but it adds extra flavor to your curry. Now in another bowl, take some yogurt, add Besan or chickpea flour to it. Mix it thoroughly without any lumps. And add that mixture to your curd. So by this time your chicken curry is ready. Now press soup broth mode. Add yogurt mixture to it. Mix it well and cook it for some time without lid. You can add some water if it is too thick. Finally, add some coriander. I added water to it. And the final step is tempering. Take a pan, add oil and add all your tempering ingredients and mix that to your kadi. Your chicken curry is ready. Next one, mutton curry. For this you need mutton pieces, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, salt, sliced onions and tomatoes, coriander leaves. Add vinegar. Now press saute button. I already added oil to mutton marination, so I am not adding any oil here. So fry it for some time. Add some water. And close the lid and press pressure cooker mode and cook it for 30 minutes. So to a pan, take some oil and fry your onions and green chilies. Add salt and turmeric powder. Once onions are golden brown, add tomato slices. Red chilli powder. And ginger garlic paste. And fry it for some time. Add tomato. Garam masala powder. So your mutton gravy is ready. Now press saute mode. Add your onion tomato gravy to it. And cook it for some time. Mutton curry is ready. These two are must-try recipes for meat lovers. If you are looking for variation in regular recipes, don't forget to subscribe and tap notification bell to receive updates of my new videos. Bye bye.